Hi there, I'm Mariana from Crafting Happiness, and today I'm gonna show you how to crochet the single crochet. Start with a chain, mine has 11, and we will insert the hook in the second chain from the hook. So from the hook, count downwards, and into the second chain, insert your hook, then yarn over and pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. And this is how you make a single crochet. Now this is a single crochet made into the base chain. I'll finish this row and I'll show you how to continue making single crochet stitches, and I'll tell you about the turning chain. And generally you lose 1 chain when you crochet. So for example, if you need 10 single crochet, make 11 chains, because you will skip the first one and you will lose it. So I started with 11 chains and ended up with 10 single crochet. Now this is optional, but it will help you not losing stitches. Chain 1, and this is called a turning chain, does not count as a stitch. It just gives you a bit of height so you can continue. So turn, and now I'll show you how to make a single crochet into the stitch below. So if you turn your work around, you will see these stitches, these little V's. What you have to do is insert your hook underneath the 2 loops, and again yarn over, pull up a loop, and then yarn over, pull through 2, and you have made a single crochet. So I'll show you again. Insert your hook through both those loops, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then yarn over, pull through 2, and this is how you make the single crochet stitch.